Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 87A Todd Avenue in Como. This circa 1950s home with its high ceilings, timber floors and solid brick and tile construction is ideally located just minutes away from Penrose High School and the golf course as well at Collier. Plus we've got plenty of parking, a garden out the back and a men's shed as well. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 87A Todd Avenue in Como. As you can see, it's a rare opportunity where you get a backyard for the kids and a man's shed as well in this price bracket. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.